everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and a variety of other platforms depending on the item. For those who are not new to my channel, welcome back. This is a good one. So after I did the last rescue box, which was a men's rescue box, I'll put the link in my description below if you want to see what I got in that box. I was really on the lookout for a shoe box because I happen to really love shoes, and I saw that there was one available, so I went ahead and bought the shoe box. Then about a week later, I bought a 50-pound women's clothing. So it's actually right here. I cannot pick it up and show it to you because it's huge and it's 50 pounds, but it arrived before the shoe box arrived. Actually, I just got a message from my building and the shoe box is downstairs, so I will be doing another video on that. But today's video is the unboxing of my 50-pound women's clothing items. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get through this whole 50-pound box in one video, so I think I'm gonna break it up into 2 videos, but let's get to cracking, okay? I have not opened it, it's still sealed. I'm gonna open it now and share it with you, and then you can tell me if you think this was a good buy. I think I paid $140 for the whole box and $6 shipping. So $146 all in. All right, let's go. So remember, I have no control over what's in here. It could be great, it could be horrible, it could be a combination of the two. Made in Thailand, 100% rayon. I don't see a brand, but it's a skirt, clearly. I don't think there's a size either. This is probably gonna get redonated. Okay. Is Jondin by Linda Seal, or I don't know. Anyway, I will look this up. Just a little leopard top. Again, nothing great. I don't know, guys. This is not looking good. What is this? Okay, loft, small petite, little sweater with the cutout right here, little cutout V. It's cute. I mean, it's like a bread and butter item. Okay, well, first it's a dress. It is a cute dress. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's black. It's got a little V-neck there. It looks to be like a small. It's really cute though. No, just the instructions on how to clean. That is so weird. All right, well, I'm gonna try to find out what the brand is. Okay, so far this is not looking good, people. Not looking good. We might get through the whole 50-pound box in one video. Okay, what is this? IWI. I have no idea what that brand is. Anyway, a red top. I don't know the size. I'm noticing a pattern here. No size. Okay, this one is newer tags. It is, oh, it's a Uniqlo hoodie. It's green and it's extra large. Here you go. So this retails for $39. It's a full zip hoodie. There's the label and then the little sticker, extra large. It's cute. That's cute. Okay, this is a Kenzie dress. This is a medium. Oh my God, I feel like the sizes are getting smaller. Anyway, so this is like a Kenzie dress. Cute little flowers on the top, flowy black skirt, so definitely like a little mini. Get a little bit of, what is, Patrizia Luca Milano. Okay, all right, well, I need to like look this up, obviously. It's a little jacket. Nope, it is faux leather, which is actually for some reason more popular than actual leather now. So maybe I can get something for this. So I don't know if you can see. It's pretty cute. This would be cute. I don't see any flaws or anything. Okay. Oh, it's got a little zipper on the sleeve. All right, I'm not mad at this. I don't know the size per se. Hold on. Stand by. Nope. Don't know the size. What is it with these sizes they're missing? So Topshop jeans, black. Yeah, these are a 25. So I guess, listen, I could get maybe like my thigh in this whole thing. Okay. Yes. Anyway. Oh my goodness. What is this? All right, ThredUP. What are you doing to me here? Zara Basic. That's a cute little summer tank. That's cute. Little ruffle on the bottom. Medium. Is this? Oh, this is a romper. Rompers do pretty well. I don't know what the label is, but rompers do pretty well regardless of the label. Rioria? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, it's a tie-dye romper. This will actually probably do really well. This is actually really cute. XL. Oh, good, and it's a great size. A size extra large. I mean, but this doesn't look like an extra large to you. To me, does it look like an extra large to you? Anyway, oh, I have questions. I have questions. ThredUP, I have questions. Like what? Why? How? Bailey 44. Large, made in USA. Oh, here's the sleeve. Okay, thank you. And then, so the sleeve is solid, the front is solid, but then the back is this like see-through pattern thing going on. It's actually kind of cute. It'll look good on the mannequin. It's still not really impressed, man. Not really impressed. Okay. Okay, which side is this the front? Okay, so it's got a top underneath it. Well, good, because it's completely see-through. Why are they making me struggle? Oh, this is Ralph Lauren size medium. Okay, I like this one. This will be okay if I can get this together. Yeah. Okay, well, it looks like this. Thanks. Okay. All right, I happen to love houndstooth, so what's happening here? This is Tyler Bowie, size medium, a brand I've not heard, but this is, I really think this is funky. Little bell sleeve down here. Oh, that is so cute. Oh wait, no, the zipper's in the back. I'll get it together, I swear. Okay, so the zipper's in the back, yay, this is the front, okay. This is cute. I actually might keep this for myself because I really like houndstooth. Did they really? Did they really give me a pair of nasty socks? Y'all, they gave me a pair of nasties. This is so gross. Ew, ew, ew. Okay. All right. Love by Design, extra small. Never heard of it. It's a chenille sweater. It's soft. It feels good. Whatever. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. All right. I like this. So it's Garnet Hill, which is actually a more popular brand for more mature purchases. Anyway, so this is a cute little skirt, but look at this print. Little paisley and stripe action going on. And they're like pockets in the front and in the back, except it does not open. So scratch that. There's just pockets in the front. But yeah, it's cute. It's a skirt. It's a size 10. This is actually really cute. This still has the tags on it. It's from H&M. So it was on clearance at H&M for $8.99. It is a skirt. A little belted skirt, size 4. Rich and Skinny. That's the name of people. Come on now. So here we go, pair of black jeans, and they are a size 30. So a pair of black, rich and skinny jeans, and it's got the tapered ankle. This is Target, a new day, extra small. It is a Capri Romper. It's missing the belt, but that's fine, I think, because you can just like add your own belt. But this is actually, this is cute. It's a size extra small. I think I said that already. Okay, they actually dry clean it. Miracle USA. Little crop action going on and some color blocking. This is cute. I need to look it up. I've never heard of it, but it's cute. Oof, okay, hold on. Who are you? Oh, Nicole Miller. This one's not so bad. It's like a little bustier dress. Black. This is cute. It's got the little strings in the back. Okay. A Reebok crop sweater, size 2XL. This is actually, I think this is cute. It's got all the different languages. This little crop sweater action going on, and in the back, bijou, size 16. Oh, look at the little neck action going on there. Kind of cool. No pattern. Should probably wash that one. No. This is so terrible. What is this? Thyme and honey. Little, like a jersey dress. Ganny, I've never heard of this brand, but it's like, it's very soft. It's whatever. All these clothes are starting to fall on me. A little stain on the neck. Maybe I can get it out. A little Adidas crop top. I like that one. That one's cute. As you can see, I am not impressed at all. Oh, wait, this is cute. Betsy Johnson, I love her. This is cute. Cute little pink dress. It's a size 4. Really nice. I don't see any stains or anything. That's good. That's decent. Who took the label out? Oh, it's inside. Wait. Is this inside out, or is that how it's supposed to be? Okay, so it's reversible? Okay, this must be reversible because that's why they took the tag out. So here's like a little Nike tank, right? But then if you pull it this way, boom, another tank, center swoosh. Oh wait, it's like a little dressy dress. Okay, this is kind of cute with the little bows in the back. ABS collection, size 6. This is adorable. Okay, so it's like a black satin dress looking. Okay, so if you can see, knee length. And in the back, look how cute. It's got the pink lining and it's got the little bows. All right, I'm gonna do, oh. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. And then I'm gonna do part 2 in the next video. So you'll wanna come back. Trust me. I'll see you later. Bye.